Good morning. I feel like I'm always at Whole Foods, but I'm actually feeling under the weather, so I want to get a juice. Too much partying. Being sick is not it, guys. I woke up today, I was just like, no, death. And I couldn't even sleep last night because we had a really big earthquake. Oh my god, we're having an earthquake. Holy shit. Oh my god. And I felt so bad for Leroy because it's the 4th of July and they just play fireworks all week long. My dog does not like it. He gets anxiety. I had to go out. I wanted to get gas in case anything happened. At least I had gas in my car to get out of here, you know what I'm saying? And I need to get food as well for the apartment. That was the biggest earthquake we've had. At least for me moving here. I think the biggest one before that was like a 5.5 magnitude. This one was 7.1. And I felt the earthquake the day before. And this time, like, oh my gosh, my entire apartment walls were shaking, the blinds were shaking, the pool water was going back and forth and splashing. It was crazy. And then I thought my mirror was gonna fall over and crash. So in the moment, it's so scary because you can't predict when earthquakes are gonna come. You can't predict the aftershocks. And for this earthquake to have like a 5 point something magnitude, or was it a 6 the day before, and then to have a 7.1 to hit afterwards, that was like a pre-shock. I'm just not with that. Like, it's fine if I'm up and I'm alert and there's an earthquake, but if I'm sleeping and I get jolted out of my sleep with my bed being possessed, like, that's when I have an issue and that's when I have anxiety. So I really could not sleep at all last night, and then I woke up with like a sinus cold, like a lot of congestion. So I got a ginger shot today. I don't know why it's so green. I got a different juice today. This one is called the Green Giant, and there's a piece of kale under my nail. That's cute. This one has kale, spinach, apple, parsley, and cucumbers. So I wanted to do something that was more green. Sorry guys, I look like a beat up big toe, actually, like I do. So we're just gonna overlook that in today's video because your girl is sick. But I also don't believe in taking medication. Like, I don't like it. Like, even for my headache today, I just put peppermint essential oil here on my temples, and that really helped to soothe everything so my head isn't banging as much. Let's see if a filter can save us today. Instagram is like, nope. Guys, I woke up feeling so sick. This is a ginger shot. I don't know why it's green, but God bless. So sick. This is a ginger shot. I don't know why it's green, but God bless. Woo! My throat. That just woke me up. I'm ready to go to Trader Joe's right now. Oh my god. So the first thing you gotta do is hydrate and get those nutrients when you're sick. So I always like to do pressed ginger and lots of greens. So I'm gonna go to the market and get some stuff as well. I don't really have an appetite, but I know I need to eat and I'll feel better. So let's go do that. And sorry, I'm trying to post on Instagram. So follow me at Kayla to get the exclusive behind the scenes. Look at the happy baby. Were you a good boy when I was gone? I was so worried. Oh, my baby. All right, guys, let's do a little grocery haul. Look, I had to move my mirror because the way it was catty-cornered, I thought that thing was gonna come tumbling down, and not in my sleep is that thing gonna crash and burn. But we've got a little grocery haul. Gosh, my voice right now sounds so congested. I went to Target today, Whole Foods, and Trader Joe's. So I'll just show you what I got from Trader's because that's, I don't know, I feel like more exciting. I'm super lazy right now, and the last thing I want to do is start cooking, but I'm craving like some fish. So I got the breaded cod fillets, which is really good if you pair it with a green veggie that's like steamed or roasted. You can also do some rice with that. So I bought a bunch of my sunflower seed buttercups. If you have a nut allergy, a dairy allergy, you don't eat dairy, these are your best friend. As a kid, I never got to enjoy the Reese's Pieces or cups or whatever the heck because I have a nut allergy. And sunflower seed butter is so freaking good, so I always stock up and I keep these in my freezer whenever I have a chocolate or a sweet craving. I had to get some bananas because I just love having these as snacks. I like to snack on whole foods, and especially fruit throughout the day. It gives me a nice little boost of energy, and I also like putting this on my almond butter toast. It is delicious. I'm going to be doing some sandwiches and stuff for this week just to keep it really simple. I'm really into just like cold food now, maybe because it is getting warmer out. So I like to keep these in the freezer because there's no way I could eat these French rolls by the time they go off. So I also like toasting those up and having it with my salad and stuff throughout the week. And then I was on Instagram and I saw that they came out with these new everything ciabatta rolls, which is basically like the everything but the bagel seasoning mix. So I wanted to do pesto sandwiches with these. So I'm probably going to make that for lunch today, and I thought these would be really fun to try out. Another really nice, quick and easy, simple snack is edamame. So you can just steam this in the microwave, top it off with a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, and you're snacking on veggies essentially. Well, it's soy, but I'm really excited to have that. I also got some stuff for my sandwiches, so I just got the peppered turkey, and then what is this, rotisserie chicken. So we got that for the week. I got another fish stick, which these are my favorites, you guys. These are so good. Another new thing that I wanted to try is this organic yellow lentil brown rice pasta, and it's just spaghetti. So I thought this would be really good to switch up my normal recipes and stuff. The only ingredients, super simple, is yellow lentil flour, brown rice flour, and water. So I thought this would be fun to do like a cold pasta with. I don't know, like I just like trying new recipes. Oh, and this is really high in protein, guys. And this pasta is great if you want to do like a veggie dish with it, which I plan on doing. It's 14 grams, guys, of protein in just 2 ounces. So that's awesome. I'm hoping it tastes really good. Got my almond butter, of course, because I can't go without it. I got some garlic for a recipe I'm gonna do today, and then I just stocked up on some chicken and stuff to have with salads, and I'm gonna use this for my chicken pesto sandwiches with these rolls over here, so it just makes life so much easier. And I like having chicken breasts with like a really good sandwich compared to just doing lunch meat. And I got another chicken because you guys know how I do. When you're sick, it's super important to have your fluids up, stay hydrated, and electrolytes are really important just to make sure that you can retain that water. So I just got 2 of these. I don't know why, I really like the packaging of this water. It's really chic. Super duper chicy deaky. And then, oh gosh, chippies. Love a good chip with my lunch. Also tried to get some greens so I could saute this, throw it in a smoothie or something. Again, when you're sick, you definitely want to make sure that you're getting your nutrients so that your body can heal. Also, sleep, super important, so definitely want to use this time to rest. I got some organic fresh basil, which I'm going to make my pesto today. And I got some beautiful organic tomatoes on the vine. Look at me trying to be healthy. Look, life is all about balance. You can have your chips, you can have your chocolate buttercups, like just everything in moderation, guys. Salad. More salad. I got some microgreens because when I do my sandwiches, we don't mess around. I also got a bag of lemons. I have some here, but I need it for my recipe, and also just doing warm lemon water with honey is really key for sore throat or cold, especially honey. It really sticks to your throat and soothes it naturally, so that's a great remedy. I'm gonna make that here in a second, so I'll show you how I do that, which is super easy. I got coleslaw because I really love that, especially for summertime. Got some more avocados because I go through avo so fast in my house. Got a nice healthy carb, brown rice, keep it nice and simple. And I got my grapes because I'm loving grapes right now. It's just really dense in water and it's sweet, so it just really curbs, ooh, rice down. It curbs my appetite, and if ever I'm craving sweets, most of the time it's because I want fruit. That's my body telling me, give me some fruit, like watermelon, something very juicy and hydrating just sounds so good. And I also just got like a brothy soup here because I really like having something warm, especially for a sore throat or you're feeling a little bit congested. It really helps to soothe the tummy and everything like that. And I really do like this chicken and veggie wonton soup from Trader Joe's. Low-key, it's my favorite little hangover snack because it's so easy to make. You just add water to it. But I'm going to put this stuff away and I'm gonna make my little lemon water with you guys and start making my pesto so I can honestly just eat and rest later on. What is this? Oh, I thought that was mold on my tomato. I think it's just a little bit of sweat. Let's see what the baby's doing. Oh, he's getting a tan out here. Are you getting a tan? What are you doing? You just getting a tan? You're so cute. Let's go get a treat. Come on. You deserve all the treats. All the treats. My favorite dog treats to give him. Mostly because he loves them and they also smell good. They smell like blueberry yogurt. I'll link them both below. Oh, the baby. Sit. Oh, good boy. Anyways, you can give them like 7 of these little biscuits. Ooh, for 1 serving a day. He loves these. You want some more? Does the baby want some more? Oh. Come here. Good boy. So I've just heated up quite a bit of water. I mean, you can do a lot with this because I'm going to use the juice of 1 whole lemon. So just roll it out. It helps to loosen up the juices. This is going to feel so nice when you drink this. So I'm just going to juice that into my warm water. Plus you get all that vitamin C too, which really helps to boost your immunity. Raw honey would be better actually for a sore throat. I'm just gonna mix it all up so the honey can dissolve. And there you guys go. We love, again, a natural remedy. Oh my gosh, that's so good. The honey adds a nice sweetness and the lemon is very tart. Try to get a thumbnail real quick because the work don't stop. Just got a package in from my friends over at Too Faced Cosmetics. Skincare formulated to make your makeup better. Guys, I have realized the importance of skincare products over makeup. Like, I find myself going to Sephora or Ulta and just going straight to skincare. I feel like it definitely makes your makeup look better when your skin is on point. So let's see what we've got. We've got the Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Spray. You want to try some new product? He's like, yes, mommy. So I've tried this before. It's really nice and hydrating for the skin, so great for the hotter seasons. We've also got the face primer, which is a coconut water base. Hey, big head. Hey, big head. The dolls can't see. We've got the Hangover Good to Go with an SPF of 25. It's a moisturizer. Definitely going to be putting that to the test because I'm all about SPFs right now. I do have hyperpigmentation and discoloration in my skin, so if you're like me, you definitely want to be using an SPF because you don't want to make your skin worse, and it's going to make your pigmentation even worse as well. She's glass. She's like the perfect size for travel. This is the Hangover Good in Bed Ultra Replenishing Hydrating Serum. Oh, I needed a new serum. Wow, perfect timing. So this is new as well. Definitely going to be trying these out, and I'll let you guys know in another video, like an update on that, like skincare wise, and also just check me out on Insta because I always do live updates over there. Thank you so much, Too Faced, for hooking your girl up. We are so excited to try all of this stuff out, and I'll leave links to these items in the description box in case you guys want to read more about it. So I just finished making my lunch. I did my homemade pesto. There's tons of leftover, which I'll freeze for a different meal. I've got the everything ciabatta roll, and then I got some veggie chips. So excited. I put some avocado on my sandwich, some sprouts, like microgreens, chicken breast, tomato, and did I say avocado? And that pesto? I just got out of my shower. I really just want to sleep. I am really tired right now. But I wanted to let you guys know that essential oils in your shower, oh my gosh, if you're not using them already, you are missing out on an entire experience. It's like you're at a spa. So when you use essential oils, they're extremely potent. You don't have to use a lot, like 2 or 3 drops honestly is enough. I just took a pretty long shower because I washed my hair, and honestly the steam just really helped me with my like congestion that I have going on. But one of my favorites to use for sinus congestion is eucalyptus essential oil. This is also really relaxing for nighttime before bed. So I highly recommend, if you have a cold and you like to do more natural things to heal your body, that's a great thing to use. You can even put it in an oil diffuser, but when you do it in the shower, a nice hot steamy shower, I put a few drops in the corner of my, like the floor of the shower. So when the hot water hits it, the steam, it's just like a big old volcano of amazingness, and it just feels so good. And I feel like I can breathe. I feel like it loosened up a lot of blockages. You know, like when you're sick and you can breathe through one nostril and the other one you can't? I feel like I can breathe between both now. I'm gonna link my essential oil kit down below that I use, and it comes with a bunch of different essential oils. For the morning, for example, I like to do orange. Orange is really great. It's very invigorating and it wakes you up in the morning. Same with peppermint if you just really need to be awake and alert. Do a few drops in your shower and you're definitely going to feel a difference. Lavender at nighttime before bed is very soothing and relaxing. You can do spearmint if you have a lot of stress, maybe a little bit of anxiety. So definitely do some Googles. You can find a lot of info on essential oils and the benefits and the different uses out of them. So I'm going to actually do a face mask. I feel like my face is a little bit swollen, especially my nose from blowing in a lot. So I kind of want to do like a firming, tightening mask to clear out my skin. I feel like my skin is actually clogged from blowing my nose and stuff. So I'm gonna find a mask to do, and then I'm gonna lay down. I'm tired. You need to rest when you're sick because your body heals itself when you're asleep. I think today I'm gonna do my Glam Glow Sleeper Mud. It's pretty firming and it definitely clears out blackheads, and I go through this stuff so often, I love it. It clears out blackheads. I feel like crap. And if you have like breakout prone skin, this is an essential for you. It's like cooling. It already feels so nice. Putting this on, I'm tired. Excuse me. Thank you. I'm gonna leave this on for 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna rinse it off. I love a good sick day routine. I was supposed to go to the gym today, but that did not happen, clearly. I just feel like an old lady. I'm actually gonna edit in bed right now, so that's what my day is going to consist of. What do you do when you're sick? Like, what is your one thing that just makes you feel better? For me, I think it's the relaxing part, because I love sleep. If someone asks me like, what is your favorite activity, I'm gonna be like, sleeping. Sleeping is blessed, okay? Like, I first of all did not have good sleep last night, so I think that's why I also am kind of moving slow today, and I have a headache right here, like a migraine. So I'm hoping I'll sleep it off, I'll wake up and I'll feel better.